Baseball hobby for Dylan. 2 autographs per box. Thanks for starting us off, man. So Dylan, call your shot, man. Who do you want? Torkelson 1 of 1. Okay. Who you got tonight in the Dodgers Cardinals? Hey Roy, how you doing today? Here we go, man. Josh Fleming. Joe Panic Optic Auto. Blue Jays. Moniac rated rookie. Prizm rated rookie. Tatis. Cronenworth. Javier. Abrams. That was a nice run of rookies. Mythical Machado. Casey Mize. Braylon Marquez. Kyle Hendricks out of 199. Mike Trout Diamond King. Rushman. Moniac. Ruiz. 50 of 75. Devi Garcia for the Yankees. Hey John, how you doing today? Unleashed Judge. Yankees tried to unleash him last night. Liberatore. Soto. Nolan Ryan lights out. Well, this one has 3 autos. So I would say they're hot boxes, John. These, by the way, are from a distributor. Yeah, you got one of the hot boxes. Jared Olivia. Ryan Mountcastle. That's button. 8 of 25 Mountcastle Black rated rookie. There you go. Herstad. Brian Hayes. Man, Dylan. Nice nice box to start us off. Way to be the first one. Abreu. Joey Gallo. Well, this is the this is the inserts and autos variations. This is the base. That gives you a feel for inserts, variations, rookie cards, autos, Optic, silvers, base cards. John, I don't know. Man, they make a lot of versions, and I can't keep track of every version of product they make.